Good morning, Davenport students. So today is Wednesday, April 8th. We have our gym activities. So rules, we make sure we have our space for the activity. We have our sneakers on and that they're tied up. And we have a parent or guardian with us to help us out with the activity. For our activities today, we will have our stretches, jog in place, feet apart stretch to the right, to the left, jumping jacks, trunk twists, balance on our right foot, then our left foot. Go Noodle, we're on the red carpet, the Macarena, and Purple Stew. So here we are at our Go Noodle page. We're on the red carpet up first. That's our on the red carpet. Next up, we have the Macarena. There we have the Macarena. Purple Stew is next. So great job for our activities today, and I hope you enjoy them and keep your comments coming. You've done a great job telling me about the activities. Thank you and have a great day.